Hi Divas, this is Mary, and today we're going to go over our back office, some features and benefits of your back offices. So we're looking at Natasha's back office. Natasha is my senior Reiki diva. She has been with me from the beginning, and she does an amazing job. And she has many years of experience in doing adult parties. So she's a true inspiration to all. So let's talk about first. Let's come over here and just look at your quick glance. So when you first come in, you're at your dashboard. So you see how many people visited your website today, how many signups you've had today and in this month, and then new orders. If you've had any new orders, the amount will show today. It looks like Natasha's had $65.26 this month. And now these are just website orders. These are showing website orders. And then your commissions, showing your commissions, how much you're getting. And this also combines your override total. And I'll show you all this in a little bit. So pretty much total paid out. This is total payout for the year. And available payout funds. Now you won't show any funds there until commissions have been run at the end of the month, and then it'll show there. So let's scroll down, and if you like graphs, it just shows your commissions and things in a graph view. There's your website and your latest orders. It shows the last order that you placed with Sexy Diva, and then it shows the things that you ordered. So if you're thinking about inventory, that helps you there. Over here, this Facebook feed, ignore it, please. It is my developers, and they want to charge us $75 a month to keep that from showing in the back offices. And right now, I'd rather use that $75 a month to purchase inventory for you to sell to make money. Eventually, that will be gone, so we have a more professional look to the back offices. But right now, I guess they feel like they want to advertise, and it's more ways for my developer to get money. So believe me, I'm paying them enough. I wish that would go away, but eventually it will. So come over here, and here's your little icon. So we're going to click on the first icon, and that's your account, and click on the little arrow. Your profile, your reviews, recommendation, and if you decide to cancel, that's where you would send me cancellation requests, and I would cancel your account. Profile, let's click on profile. Here's all your personal information, your site name, your username, your contact information. If you want to change your username or your site name, this is where you would do it. Now, for those divas that lock themselves out of their websites, I would go in and do a temporary username, and you would want to come back in there and change it. That's where you would change it. So your billing address, your shipping address, you need to really keep your shipping address up to date. If you move, if you were to make an order and not to change your shipping address, it would go to the wrong order. So, and that would be your responsibility if the item would not get to you. So payout preferences, I'm not going to click on these because Natasha's personal information is in there, so I'm not going to click on it. Your payout preferences is you need to go in to your back office and put in your PayPal address, the one that you want me to pay you at, okay? So make sure that you do that. If you need to change your password, here's where you would do that also. So let's come over here, and we're going to go to organization. So let's go to people. So personally referred users, that is your first line downline. These are the people that signed up directly under you. So it's a good place. Your number one direct downline where you can contact them. If you click on view profile, or click on Becky here. Becky's one of my top divas. And you can see she has 5 in her downline, 4 customers, and her personal purchases has been $810. And so that's since Becky came on board. Becky is my second in charge on my divas. She is an amazing diva, has had some great success at her home parties. So thank you, Becky. So let's go to customers. Here's Natasha's customers. So they go by due date. If you see a customer, like today, you see Natasha's had no sales. You click on that. There's her email address, 0 purchases. It means that she went on board, started order, and then didn't order. So this is a good time to send her an email. You can send her a message to here. I prefer you send an email. I'm not sure they get all the messages that go through here unless they were to log into their account. So you definitely want to click on their email, send them an email, and then maybe offer an incentive, such as an additional discount. If you want discount codes made, like maybe you want to offer her an additional 5 or 10% off her order, and you have a special discount code, let me know the discount code and the amount, and I'll make that for you. And so when any of your customers use it, it'll give them additional discount. Just know any additional discounts do come out of your commission, unless it's a company-wide discount. If there's a company-wide discount promotion going on, that does not come out of your commission. But if you have a special discount code that you want to create, that does come out of your commission. So let's go to look at one of our customers that did order, Miranda Tate, and you'll see that she did a purchase of $69.21. And so that tells you about your customers. So this is a great place. If you haven't had any orders and you come in here, your customers, and you see that you have customers underneath here, definitely get in touch with them, offer an additional discount so that you can retain that sale. And any questions, definitely private message me and we can talk about a strategy for you, okay? So let's go back here and to organization, and let's look at her genealogy. So Natasha has 30 divas underneath her, and let's say that if you wanted to view your upline, she doesn't have an upline because she's right underneath corporate. So her direct sponsor is corporate. So she would not have an upline. But if you have an upline and the person that sponsored you is not getting a hold of you, you could look at your upline and contact the person above them until you get some help. You can always private message me. A lot of you know that I am up all types of time in the middle of the night and am here to help you. Never ever feel that you can't contact me directly. Your success is my success, so I am here to help you. Now, so let's go view downline. So there's her level 1, and like you said, you can click on the profile of your divas, and it tells you when they came on board, if they're active, and how many customers that they have underneath of them. It looks like they have some customers here that have not purchased, how many purchases. So pretty much just the information on the diva, if they've done anything, if they're active or not. So let's close this down and then go look at level 2. I would once and see what's going on. You see how many are active, how many are not. Some of these divas are actually inactive now. So I'm going to make some changes here to make sure that it's accurate. So some of these divas are not active at this time. So that's a good way to keep hold of your genealogy, your downlines. See how many people are underneath you. You have their contact email information. One thing I want to talk about too is view your downline, export genealogy. You can do extended view. Let's do extended view. And there you go. It shows your extended view, all your girls who has people underneath of them. It's a pretty neat tool. And then you can export your genealogy down here and open it up. and it comes in an Excel file, and you have everyone's email address. And you can put that your Excel file, download it directly into your email program, and that way you can email your entire team. If you're starting to get a large downline, you definitely want to start emailing your entire team. Some motivational, some training tips and things like that. Just get them motivated and help them with their training and their success. So right here is your website. So that you click on that and go to your website. And let's go to our favorite, compensation. So here's your processed earning. Here's unprocessed. This is what month-to-date earnings. Commission report. This is where here's your graph that shows sales. Commission report. This shows you all your commissions. Here's pending. Pending would be commissions you've not been paid on. So you can see here, it breaks it down for you for this one, retail sales, pending. Let's view the detail. This can tell you that this is a sale. And you can look at order details. And this is Ann Ayla. This is an order. And this is what she ordered. And this was her commission, $14.40. So that was adjusted total. So you only get paid on adjusted total, not on sales tax or shipping and handling. So the $14.40 is the commissionable amount. And it tells you what your compensation was in your customer profile. So it gives you a lot of information. Note remarks, change logs, anything like that. So you can look at that. You can view the details here of what that commission is. And it's a summary of a sale that Lindsay Sexton in your downline. It was one of Lindsay's sales. This is compensation based upon your pay plan. This is how much money you made off of that sale. So you can see as you start to grow your pipeline and get more sales, you can see up to date what is going on for your compensation for the month. I will say that we just got this fixed. My developer had it all in wrong. We just got it fixed, so it is reporting accurately now. So I can't tell you how happy I am that this is happening, that I do not have to manually calculate commissions anymore. It's going to free me up to do more creative things for you instead of back office accounting. So let's come here to the money part now, to your wallet. And this is just a payout. This is where you can also change your payout, see your payout history, your payout preference. You want to make sure that I'm not going to click on any of this because I don't want to really give out information. But your payout preference is where you definitely want to put in your, another place for you to put in your PayPal email address, and so that you can make sure that you get paid to the correct account, okay? So let's come down here to our shopping cart now. And these are orders, total processed orders for this month, and then unprocessed orders. These are orders 2528. These are orders that have been fulfilled. And the $39.98, these are orders that have not been fulfilled, that they're in processing. Actually, these will go out Sunday. Once they are showing processed, then the commission amount will go to the front page. So this month's sales, so you can see only $9 is showing under Natasha's commissions. That's because she has unprocessed orders that have not been shipped yet. These orders were just just came in yesterday, so they ship Sunday. So Sunday, once the orders get processed and the tracking number goes into the order, she will see her commission in her back office. And this is her organizational volume, $28.18, so she can see the gross sales of her organization. So for most purchase items, this is sort of fun. You can see what people like, what they're ordering. So there's a really good information in here. Also, this is where you place your orders. So you do your personal purchase here. You would hit personal purchase. My orders. These are your orders that you have personally done. And there are your customers' orders. So these are where you can see your customers' orders. So the shopping cart, this is a very important area. This gives you all your pertinent information on the front page of what your income is. And so last but not least, let's go to billing. And right now there are no bills because websites are free. This will change in October. There will be a charge, in October for websites, and we'll go over more about that when that happens. However, right now it is free, so take advantage of it. Grow your downline, grow your customer base, and get commissions and put money in your pocket. So I hope this helps you all a little bit understand the back office. Please feel free to private message me for any additional training that you need. Thank you, Divas. You all have a wonderful Diva day.